So, today we're going to learn about a very interesting topic. Guess what it is? Yes, Jade?
Is it fractions?
Yes! We're going to learn about fractions, and it is a really cool math thing you can learn today. So, we're going to do a nice craft for you to understand fractions and know how to use them. They become really important in math in the next grades. So let's begin.
Yep.
So guys, I want you to stand in a single file line, no pushing, no shoving, and receive your paper here. Okay, so come on in. Hello Jade, thank you for coming. Please be seated. Oh, sorry, I mean Violet. Next, please.
Hello.
Thank you, Barbie. Please have it ready for the next step.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ken. Please have your paper ready for the next step. Okay, has everyone gotten their piece of paper? Yes! Okay, that means we can begin now. Okay, so to do this, we're going to fold our piece of paper in half, just like this. Is everyone ready for the next step?
Yes.
Okay, and now for the next step, we're going to fold it down again like this. So we're going to create many different parts of creases. Okay, is everyone ready?
Yes.
Okay, now for the next part, we are going to fold it Actually, I think this is enough. So I want you to now open all your pieces of paper just like this. So then we have 4 equal parts. Now what I want you to do is take your piece of paper and cut on the lines that have been folded like this. I want to see all your scissors go. Oh, is that how you did? Yes, it is. And I want you to do it for all of the strips you have, which is 4 equal ones. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. We just need the right material to do the next step. So we have this whole strip is 1 hole. So I want you to all take your pencils and write 1 hole on only 1 strip, okay?
Okay.
So now we have 1 hole, and that is our first strip. Now I want you to take your next strip and actually fold it in half and then cut it on the same line. And I want you to write a half on one and then the half on the other. So take your pencils. Come on, I want to hear you working. Let's learn our first fraction fact. 2 halves equal 1 whole because when we have a half, it's a half of the whole. When we take the other half, it equals 1 strip. See, when you put them together, aren't they both the same? Yes.
Yes.
Let's continue. Take your other strip and we're going to make it into thirds. Now, we just need to take one side like this and then the other and then overflap them and then just fold. So we have 3 almost equal but not really perfect parts, which is fine. And then I want you to carefully cut on the lines like this, and take your pencils and write 1/3. Now, if we take 3/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, it even equals a whole. Now we're going to take our last strip and create them into fourths. We're going to fold our piece of paper in half and then fold it in half again like this. So then when we open our piece of paper, we have 4 equal parts. And that's where we are going to cut and write 1/4. Be sure to be careful with the scissors you are using. And friends at home, you can try this also. It's a really fun thing to do and learn fractions. This is totally fun.
Yeah, right. I totally love this.
And students, there's other ways to get fractions and then create them to equal to other different fractions other than wholes. For example, let's take our half strips. And what will happen if we take 2/4? It creates an equal half. When we have 2/4, the fraction is written like this. This 4 is the denominator. This 2 is the numerator. The 4 is how much pieces we have all together of those 4s, and the 2 is how much we are taking. Numerator is always on the top, denominator is always on the bottom. Students, is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
You see, fractions can be endless numbers. Just remember to learn them the right way. Thanks, teacher. Thank you. I had so
Awesome.
much fun. This was awesome.
Yeah,
Thank
me
you.
too.